I'm at Walnut Hills Plaza, City of Walnut, California. Walnut Hill Plaza is located at 18718 Amar Road, Walnut, California. The Walnut Hills Plaza is a 107,000 square feet shopping center that sits on over 10 acres of land. Major stores are 24 Hours Fitness, Taco Bell, Domino's, Papa John's, Firestone, O'Reilly's, Bank of America, and the Walnut Valley Medical Plaza. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Please press bell button so you get notified when we release the new video.